Welcome to Rome Tips. If you find this video helpful, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe to the channel for more Rome research tips and tricks. All the links mentioned in this overview are down in the description below. Also, remember that this is based on my personal experience with the tool. Today we're looking at Runkeeper, available at https://runkeeper.com. This platform offers a fantastic way to track your fitness progress, whether you're a seasoned marathoner or just beginning your journey toward a healthier lifestyle. Runkeeper utilizes GPS technology to meticulously record your runs, walks, and bike rides, providing valuable data on distance, pace, elevation gain, and calories burned. The app boasts a user-friendly interface, making it easy to navigate and interpret your performance metrics. You can set personalized goals, participate in virtual challenges, and even follow training plans tailored to specific race distances. This feature is particularly beneficial for those training for a 5K, 10K, half marathon, or full marathon. Beyond simple tracking, Runkeeper allows you to connect with friends and family, fostering a sense of community and motivation. Sharing your progress and cheering each other on can be a powerful motivator. The app also integrates with other popular fitness apps and devices, streamlining your fitness data management. Runkeeper provides detailed post-activity analysis, allowing you to delve deeper into your performance and identify areas for improvement. You can analyze your pace splits, examine your route on a map, and monitor your progress over time. This granular data offers valuable insights into your training and can help you optimize your workouts for optimal results. Whether you're a casual jogger or a dedicated athlete, Runkeeper offers a comprehensive suite of tools to help you achieve your fitness goals. Its intuitive design, social features, and detailed performance tracking make it a valuable asset for anyone seeking to improve their health and well-being. Consider giving it a try and see how it can elevate your fitness journey. Don't forget to check the description for the link and explore the platform for yourself.